Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel EK Kitchen. Today we are going to make Maamoul cake. You heard of Maamoul cookies, but today we are going to bake a Maamoul cake. For this, first we are going to prepare filling. For this we have 200 grams seedless dates. I have chopped these dates and now I am adding 25 grams of butter. Then I will add half cup of milk, half teaspoon cardamom powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Now we are going to cook it on the stove and make a paste. You can see I cooked it for 10 minutes covered, and then I blend it with my spatula to make a form of a paste. Viewers, now you can see my paste is ready, and now we are going to cool down it. More the paste is cool, it is easy to handle. Now we are going to make a base of a cake. For this, we are going to take 3 eggs. We are putting it in our stand mixer. We are going to beat these eggs until it gets foamy.
One eternity later.
You can see these eggs are beaten and they get foamy. Now I am going to add 3/4 cup of caster sugar in it and again beat it.
One eternity later.
You can see my eggs and sugars are well blended, and now I am going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now I am adding melted ghee or a clarified butter in it. It is 1/3 cup or 75 ml. If you want, you can add a butter or oil in it. After adding the ghee, we just quickly mix it. Now I am adding 3/4 cup milk to it. Now we are mixing our dry ingredients together. For this, I have 60 grams of white wheat flour or 1/4 cup of white wheat flour, 150 grams of all-purpose flour, I also add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of 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 1 teaspoon and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now I am going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients and give it a gentle fold or a gentle whisk. As you can see, my batter is ready now, and now I am going to show you how to assemble this cake. First, I am going to shape the filling. I put it on the butter paper and cover it with the other piece of butter paper and roll it according to my pan size. Now I took a pan and gently grease it with olive oil. Now I am putting half of my batter in my pan. Now I am going to put my filling on my cake batter. My filling is not properly cool, so it is difficult for me to handle it. If your filling is properly cool, it is easy to handle it. Now I am going to put my remaining batter on the top of my filling. You can see I have put my remaining filling in my pan, and now I am going to put the nuts over it. For this I have took almonds, pistachios, cashew nuts and walnuts and sesame seeds, which I am going to sprinkle on my cake. After topping, I am going to bake it on 180 degrees for 50 minutes. Viewers, you can see we have took our cake from the oven. I have cooled it properly, and now I am going to cut its slices and show you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel.